Lamborghini. A name that represents pure speed, extreme power, and unmatched value in the world of supercars. When we talk about speed, Lamborghini stands among the fastest cars on the planet. Most Lamborghini models can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 3 seconds. That level of acceleration is not just fast, it's explosive. It delivers instant power the moment you press the throttle, pushing the limits of what a road car can do. But speed alone is not what defines Lamborghini. It's the engine that makes everything possible. Lamborghini is known for its powerful V10 and V12 engines. These engines are naturally aspirated, meaning they don't rely on turbochargers to produce power. Instead, they deliver raw, immediate performance. The sound, the response, and the feeling are all direct and aggressive. When a Lamborghini engine revs, it creates a high-pitched, intense sound that is instantly recognizable anywhere in the world. These engines can produce more than 600, 700, even over 800 horsepower, depending on the model. That kind of power allows Lamborghini cars to reach top speeds of over 300 kilometers per hour. This is not just speed for the road. This is performance inspired by racing machines. Now let's talk about the parts that make Lamborghini so advanced. One of the most important materials used in Lamborghini is carbon fiber. It is extremely strong, yet very lightweight. This helps reduce the overall weight of the car while increasing strength and performance. A lighter car means faster acceleration, better handling, and more control at high speeds. The aerodynamics of Lamborghini are also highly advanced. Every curve, every line, and every angle is designed to control airflow. This improves stability when the car is moving at extreme speeds. Air passes over and around the car in a way that keeps it planted to the road. The braking system is another key component. Lamborghini uses high-performance carbon ceramic brakes. These brakes are designed to handle extreme speeds and stop the car safely within a short distance. Even at very high speeds, the braking remains strong, precise, and reliable. The suspension system plays a major role as well. It keeps the car balanced and stable, even during sharp turns and high-speed driving. The suspension adjusts to different road conditions, allowing the driver to maintain full control. Now let's talk about the overall value of Lamborghini in the world. Lamborghini is one of the most valuable and respected supercar brands globally. Its cars are not just machines, they are assets. The value of a Lamborghini is not only based on its performance, but also on its brand power, rarity, and demand. Some Lamborghini models even increase in value over time. Limited edition cars, rare models, and special versions can become highly valuable in the market. Collectors around the world are willing to pay extremely high prices to own these vehicles. The global demand for Lamborghini continues to grow. It is recognized in almost every country. From the United States to Europe to the Middle East, Lamborghini is seen as a symbol of speed and high performance. In terms of market position, Lamborghini stands at the top level of the automotive world. It competes with the fastest and most powerful cars ever made. Its reputation is built on performance, design, and innovation. Every Lamborghini represents a combination of speed, engineering, and value. It is not just about how fast it goes. It is about what it represents in the world of high-performance machines. From its powerful engines to its advanced materials, from its extreme speed to its global value, Lamborghini remains one of the most dominant names in the world of supercars. This is not just a car. This is speed, power, and value combined into one machine. This is Lamborghini.